Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how I made this really festive looking candle Christmas decoration just out of some scrap wood.
So with Christmas rapidly approaching, I thought it would be a great idea to do another scrap wood Christmas decoration. So for this project I'm going to use a few pieces of bed slat. I'm going to start off by measuring up, just by eye, the heights that I want the candles to be. So I'm going to have 3 different heights, and I'm just marking those up now with a speed square. And bed slats are great because they already have rounded over edges. So for the base I'm just going to use a scrap of pallet wood, and I'm just roughly working out how big I want it to be. So then I made all the cuts on my miter saw. Now I needed to draw out the design of the candle head, the light of the candle. So just with a pen I'm roughly sketching out the shape of a flame. And then to cut out the flame I'm going to be using my jigsaw. So once the first one was cut, I could use that as a template for the other 2 and just draw around them. I then gave them all a hand sanding just to smooth over all those rough edges. So now I want to position them on the base and work out where I want them to go. And I'm just marking around the bottoms. And making some marks ready to drill some pilot holes. I then just went round the edge of the base with a round over bit in my router. I then put 2 pilot holes for each candle. And quickly just gave it a hand sanding. So for the bottom I want to add some feet, and for that I'm using some screws and plastic caps, and that will just protect any surface from any scratches from the wood. Then to attach the candles to the base, I'm just going to add a little bit of glue. And I'm going to be using some self-tapping screws, driving them in from underneath. So now it was time to decorate the candles. I started off by adding some white paint, and I added several coats of white. Then for the flame, I started off with some gold paint. Just freehand painting in some detail. And then I went around the edges with some orange paint. And then I covered the candles with some gold glitter paint, and you can see there I added on the inside a light yellow, just to make them look more realistic. So for the bodies of the candles, I added some silver glitter paint. And then for the base, I used some metallic paint, which was like a metallic bronze. And then to finish them off, I added some coloured rope and just tied a couple of bows around the tops of the candles.
So that's about it for this video. If you liked the video, please remember to like and also consider subscribing for more DIY related videos. And as always, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you next time.